I don't know how much value I have in this universe, but I do know that I made a few people happier than they would have been without me. And as long as I know that, I'm as rich as I ever need to be.
You have changed my life in so many ways. I'm getting emotional, but I'm just so grateful for you. So.
Yeah, no, I'm getting emotional. Thank you so much, Paulina.
I would also like to thank you because with the Slowly Possible games and the Raising Your Vibration calls, I also realized that I was like in the wrong career. So now I'm just gonna change careers and gonna go study psychology in Canada.
I looked you up and you had these Raise Your Vibration calls, and I joined, and I really want to thank you for all the things that I learned so far. I noticed that I really came out of my shell a lot more. I've grown a lot more unapologetic. It's more regular for me to feel my heart opening up and really speaking from my heart. I just wanted to share that with you, that I'm really thankful that I met you and that you do this kind of work, and yeah, that you enable me to open up.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, thank you. I would like to thank you for this. This is really unique and amazing way you're doing it, like less super spiritual teachers, they go out and talks and videos, but you are making a community where like we really get it. Like I watch your videos, I love Alien.
I'm talking to an alien, right? You know, technically, to alien, you are alien.
I believe that you are in our life for a purpose, like to guide us. Like you appeared in our life. Like God didn't create us and just left us alone. Like you're here for a reason and to learn stuff about ourselves, about the world. I'm so grateful for your knowledge.